Hi, welcome to another one of our videos from John and Daniel, and today we're looking at a 2010 replacement wing mirror on a Fiat Panda. Left or right, doesn't matter, driver's side. I just want to go through, it's an easy job, do it yourself job, tools you're going to need. A couple of screwdrivers, some mould grips, or pliers if you've got them, preferably. And this is basically the procedure you go through. So you need to remove this, keep it safe. It goes, it just literally pulls off. And then you see on there, there's this metal thing. You can tap that with a hammer or mallet if you want to get it off. The easiest way that I found of getting off is just a pair of mould grips. Just turned it. What it does, it unscrews, it literally comes off, and you see a thread there, just comes off that thread. And then what you need to do, if you see there and there and there's a couple of clips, and this just clips in. Just need to get a screwdriver and, or even the end of a spoon, and just pull this off, and it'll just pull off. Slide that away. That's that done. You see this like rubber spongy thing, just pull that back gently with your fingers, and there you'll see what it's like, a big washer. Ours was a little bit stiff, and literally all I did was unscrew it. I'll just show you, supporting the mirror with one hand, just unscrew this and it literally comes out. That's it, you can see the thread in there, and then literally slide your wing mirror out. And that's out. So, let's just have a recap the tools you're going to need. A screwdriver, a set of mould grips to undo this, and that's really it. And this applies for the driver's side or passenger seat. Should take you 10 minutes or so to do. These range from about £17 to £60, so shop around for them. I'll say this is 2010 when looking at replacing your mirror. This is a manual adjustment. Just make sure you're getting one with the wires, and you'll see the pictures online. Anyway, this helps you see a bit more clearly I should say. New vehicle. Can you help us along a bit and help us move a bit quicker? And subscribe to the channel please. Thanks for watching.